Communication is the lifeblood of any successful organization. It is the process of exchanging information, ideas, and feelings between two or more people. Effective communication is essential for achieving organizational goals, building strong relationships, and fostering a positive work environment. When team members communicate effectively, they can share knowledge, coordinate tasks, and solve problems more efficiently. Open communication also helps to build trust and rapport among colleagues, creating a more collaborative and supportive workplace. Conversely, poor communication can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and errors. This can damage relationships, decrease productivity, and ultimately hinder the organization's success. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, mastering communication skills is more important than ever before. To improve communication skills, it's crucial to understand the basic communication process. This process involves several key elements: sender, encoding, message, channel, receiver, decoding, and feedback. The sender initiates the communication process by formulating a thought or idea. This thought is then encoded or transformed into a message that can be transmitted. The message is sent through a chosen channel such as email, phone call, or face-to-face conversation. The receiver then decodes the message, interpreting its meaning based on their own understanding and context. Finally, the receiver provides feedback to the sender, indicating whether the message was understood as intended. Various factors can influence the encoding and decoding processes to miscommunication. These factors include cultural background, language proficiency, personal experiences, and emotional states. By being aware of these potential barriers, individuals can communicate more effectively and minimize misunderstandings. In today's digital age, individuals have a wide range of communication channels at their disposal. Each channel has its own strengths and weaknesses, making it suitable for different purposes. Digital written communication, such as email and instant messaging, is convenient and allows for asynchronous communication. This means that individuals can respond to messages at their own convenience without the need for immediate interaction. However, written communication lacks the nonverbal cues present in face-to-face interactions, which can lead to misinterpretations. Verbal communication, such as phone calls and video conferencing, allows for real-time interaction and conveys tone of voice, which can help clarify meaning. However, verbal communication can be less effective for complex information or when a written record is required. Nonverbal communication, including body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice, plays a crucial role in conveying emotions and attitudes. While nonverbal communication can enrich face-to-face interactions, it is largely absent in digital written communication. Section 4. Choosing the right communication method. When choosing a communication method, it's important to consider factors such as synchronicity, social presence, social acceptance, and media richness. Synchronicity refers to the immediacy of the communication, while social presence relates to the feeling of being physically present with the other person. Social acceptance refers to the appropriateness of the communication channel in a given context, while media richness refers to the channel's ability to convey multiple cues and facilitate feedback. For example, face-to-face communication is high in synchronicity, social presence, and media richness, making it ideal for complex or sensitive discussions. On the other hand, email is low in synchronicity and social presence but high in social acceptance for formal communication. Understanding these factors can help individuals choose the most effective communication channel for their specific needs. Section 5. Overcoming communication barriers. Effective communication requires not only choosing the right channel, but also overcoming potential barriers. These barriers can stem from various factors, including cultural differences, gender differences, language barriers, and emotional states. Cultural differences can influence communication styles, nonverbal cues, and even the interpretation of time. For example, some cultures value direct communication, while others favor a more indirect approach. Gender differences can also affect communication, with men and women often exhibiting different communication styles and patterns. Emotional states can significantly impact how individuals communicate and interpret messages. When individuals are stressed, angry, or upset, they may misinterpret messages or struggle to communicate effectively. By being aware of these potential barriers, individuals can adapt their communication style and approach to foster understanding and avoid misunderstandings. Please subscribe, follow, and comment.